Samsung has confirmed its next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place online on the 5th of August, where we're expecting to see the launch of 5 devices, including the new Note 20 models. Renders and images suggest that the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra won't change too much from the Note 10, although the pronounced camera housing looks to be a feature. An under-display fingerprint sensor is likely, as well as a prominent rear camera housing, and there will be a built-in S Pen. With Samsung introducing a 120Hz refresh rate display on all the Galaxy S20 models, it's claimed it will be improved for the Note 20 Ultra and that it will be variable rate, and should work at full resolution on the Note 20 Ultra. It's long been thought that the Note 20 might take the S20 Plus cameras and use those. However, there are reports that the Note 20 Ultra will have a 108-megapixel camera, as the S20 Ultra did. Elsewhere, it's been reported that the Note 20 Ultra won't be offering the 100x zoom feature that made its debut on the S20 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will likely run similar processors to the Galaxy S20 range with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus or an Exynos chipset. It's likely the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra will offer at least 12 GB of RAM too, though Samsung might step up the RAM for the Plus model to match the Ultra. Big batteries are also likely in the Note 20 series. The Samsung Galaxy S20 series ranges between 4000 mAh and 5000 mAh capacities. Thanks for watching.